Hello everyone. Welcome to Gotober 2023, day 5. So, apparently, there was a new Mule runtime version that was released on October 3rd. So, like 2 days ago, I guess. And I didn't know about this. So, let's check out what is new for DataWeave specifically. If you want to check out everything, you can just go to this part right here. Or just go to Google and search for Mule Runtime Engine 450 release notes. You will be able to see everything that is new with the Mule runtime. But I kind of just want to focus on DataWeave 2.5 because it's day 5 and we're doing DataWeave 2.5. Anyway, all right, so let's see what is new. I kind of went through this really quick. This is super cool. I want to try it out, but no, I'm going to focus on the DataWeave module features that were updated. I kind of want to just focus on the new functions. So let's do the toString, the concatWith, and the version. I already tried the version function, so let's check it out just really quick. It basically just returns the DataWeave version that you're currently running, which I kind of had to use to make sure that I'm running 2.5. So basically, you can just copy this script and it will run. Let me just do it again for the sake of it, and it returns 2.5. Note that I'm running the DataWeave Playground and not the Visual Studio Code extension, which I wanted to do, but I can't figure out how to change the version from 2.4 to 2.5 yet in VS Code. But we have it here. We can also put version here, and this works. If I were to try this in VS Code, it actually doesn't work because it has to be changed in the POM, I believe. But I tried changing it and I can't. So I'm just gonna try to figure it out eventually. But for now, I'm not able to do this yet. But here I can see 2.5. I don't really understand because here it says somewhere here syntax of an earlier version of DataWeave is supported through this directive. I don't know, I think it's just the syntax then, because if I change this to 2.4, it still returns 2.5. So maybe it's literally just checking out the syntax that is here to be able to run that one, but the actual version is still just 2.5. I would think so. Yeah, that makes sense. So anyway, there's version. And now let's check out toString. So in the release notes, it says that the toString function adds a locale parameter. So that's the only change, right? This already existed before, I believe. So it's adding this locale. So you can use, for example, USR or ES. Transforms the corresponding numeric values to a localized string. So here are some examples, and I believe this is a locale because it's the third, right? Number, format, locale. Yeah, it's a third parameter. So let's check this out. Yes. So let's stop here. We don't need to go further. So we have toString 1, toString 5, but we only want this thing, so it's doing 0.01. That makes sense. It's rounding up. And then we have 35, but we are telling it to do this format and also ES. So for example, if I were to change it to US, let's just get rid of the others because they don't really matter here. So US would be 0.4. What else was available? USR or ES. Yeah. I wonder if Canada is available. Oh, it's a comma. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Yeah, Mexico is a dot, just at the US. Let's do AR. That is so cool. All right, so there you have it. Let me just go back to US. And yeah, so it does work like that. Okay, it's rounding up. Perfect. Yeah, I like this. I like this. This is so cool. Okay, that's a toString. And finally, let's do the concatWith. ConcatWith. That is new. Yeah, that is totally new. So concatenates the content of two binaries. So for example, cafe as binary, concatWith ABCD as binary, and it ends up being this. Is that the only binary, binary, binary with null, null with binary? Yeah. Okay. I wonder who is using this because I had never seen this before. So yeah, concatenate cafe as binary with ABCD as binary, basically. And that's all. This is what you end up with. So for example, let's see. Okay, YV4. Oh, so it kind of changes. I'm not very good with binaries, so I'm not really sure what's happening here. Yeah, so it's not, yeah, it's concatenating stuff, basically. I guess if we were to, oh, also this is base 16 and this is base 16 and this makes it base 64. I'm not very good with binaries again, so I don't know what's happening. But anyway, I guess if we were to just change these back from binary to string, it would give us cafe ABCD, perhaps. So what if I do this, cafe ABCD? Is this the same? Okay, let's do this. Let's do the test 1 is that, and then comma test 2 is this with just cafe without ABCD, and then the concat. Yeah, it's the same thing. The first one says as binary base 64, as binary base 16. Oh, interesting. And the second one says as binary base 64. I guess because it doesn't fit. No. Huh. That is odd. Oh well. Anyway, it works. What if I were to just put cafe? Oh, it still does that. Interesting. Well, anyway, this thing works. It's concatenating the strings and in a binary thing. And we get the binary at the end. So, yay. Those are the 3 new function things. So we did version, we did toString with the function locale, with the parameter locale, and we did the concatWith to concatenate binaries. Awesome. That is super cool. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing this because I don't see like there are a lot of new things. Well, there are these things. I don't know what the DTD module is. So maybe I'll check it out. Oh, it's for XML. We'll see. There's also a core annotation, untrusted code. Interesting. Yeah, but that seems like too deep. Maybe I will try this one out because that one also looks very interesting. So we'll see. We'll see what we do tomorrow for day 6. And I will continue seeing you for the rest of the month, hopefully. Bye-bye.